At exactly 1200 hours, the heavily fortified English Channel erupted into a total structural disaster. Three premier German capital warships executed a top-secret maritime breakout in broad daylight. The battleships, Scharnhorst and Gneisenau, flanked by the heavy cruiser Prinz Eugen, charged straight through the world's deadliest choke point. This high-speed naval chase left the Empire's grand home defense grid completely paralyzed. Hours before daylight, under total darkness at 2100 hours, the fleet executed its secret escape setup. Pinned for months inside the heavily bombed Brestport city layout, the German task force slipped their mooring lines under a total radar communication blackout. British surveillance patrols had no active tracking matrix overhead, leaving a massive blind spot across the French coastal plains. As dawn broke, the task force entered the narrow channels running at maximum velocity. Moving under a heavy blanket of natural atmospheric fog, the ships used electronic jamming equipment to blind the British early warning arrays. On the high cliffs, a stone lighthouse model and a massive shore defense administrative fort block sat completely silent. The clock hits 11:30, triggering an immediate panic inside London's command hub. The British scrambled old torpedo boat models and coastal artillery batteries to intercept. Operators aligned a primitive rangefinder tool layout, launching a desperate wave of surface torpedoes across the water, but the German warships opened fire with intense anti-aircraft shell arrays. By 1400 hours, the British RAF Bomber Command launched a massive wave of aerial torpedo bombing. Dozens of twin-engine aircraft plunged through the clouds, creating a shooting gallery. On board the cruiser Prinz Eugen, main deck gun structures filled the sky with flak fire, fracturing a British bomber's wing structure as it crashed into a spectacular thermal emission accent. Near safety, disaster struck at 0800 hours as the Scharnhorst hit a submerged underwater mine. A massive shockwave tore through the lower machinery spaces, flooding a boiler compartment layout and cracking the hull plates. The engineering hub triggered an immediate salvage routine, saving the vehicle framework as the task force escaped, completely humiliating the British Admiralty net.